Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven. My daughter Ziya and I are on a journey this year to explore new places, meet new people, and discover new experiences around the country and even around the world. We hope to learn some new things, get out of our comfort zone, and of course, have fun. So join us on
A Big Adventure!
We're going on a big adventure in Keystone, Colorado. So far, Ziya got to see snow for the first time, and we took a sleigh ride through the mountains with real horses and cowboys. Stay tuned to see what else there is to explore in this winter wonderland.
You still have to work while you're adventuring.
Here's what Ziya will be wearing today to keep totally warm for a full snow day. First layer is thermal underwear. Second layer is a pullover and thick sweatpants. Third layer is her actual snowsuit with the snow jacket over it. She will also have the neck warmer thingy, thick socks, and her hat, and her mittens, and her snow boots. I don't have my stuff on yet, but I'm going to be wearing 2 pairs of fleece leggings layered up with my snow pants on top, so that's 3 pairs of pants, and I probably will have at least 3 or 4 layers of tops on. We ain't playing, we ain't trying to be cold today. Layer 1, layer 2.
I think I'm gonna make a snowman. Okay. But we need crackers and a carrot.
Okay.
Put your boots on. So we are about to take the bus to head over to where the gondola is and take the gondola up the mountain to where they're gonna have the sledding and the snow fort and all the fun activities for the day. It's snowing out here, it's pretty cold, but we got our layers on and I think we're just in time for the bus. It's really snowing out here. My hair is gonna be curly. Wow, Ziya, we're in the gondola!
You did great!
Good job! Just like Peppa Pig. Is that cool?
Look, we're going all the way up to the top of the mountain.
You're so brave, Ziya. What a big girl. Going on the gondola? Look at the beautiful mountains behind you. Got off too soon. That's okay. Is this fun? Yeah, you like it? You're not too cold? Are you warm in your snow gear? Having fun, Grammy?
Yeah.
Are you warm today?
I'm warmer today. Yesterday, that was just at night. Oof. We're gonna be up on the top of the mountain tonight. Almost to the top, Ziya. Get some lunch.
Wow, Ziya, we're at the top of the mountain. We made it to the top. Well, we made it to the snow castle. Ah! I just slipped. Ziya's not happy. She says she's cold even though she's as bundled up as she can be. So this is what happens when you take a 3-year-old to a new place in a new climate. You have to be prepared for meltdowns. But we're gonna have a good time anyway. snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I've never seen Frozen. I don't know how that song goes. Oh gosh, you could go down in the forest right here. Okay, this is a good spot. These are genuine vintage gloves from 1991. Might be from before that.
Come on now. Listen, ski stuff never goes out of style. Mommy's putting on her gloves so she can help you. And I got the crackers ready for his eyes. Be careful.
Can't tell where it's gonna be, floor or just soft snow. Okay, what do we need to do first? The bottom? Okay, how do we do that? Just make a big pile? Let's do it right here. This is where our snowman's gonna be. Is that the booty?
The snowmans have booties.
That's no booty? We're from Texas. We don't know how to build a snowman. I have no idea how to do this.
Should I get my crackers out? Maybe he'll just be short.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can get the crackers
Okay. And fruit snack for
out. Buttons.
his buttons. Okay.
Eyes can go like that. Like that. This is a snow monster.
It needs eyelashes so it could be a girl.
Okay.
Oh, what are we gonna do for eyelashes?
Let's put the buttons on for right now, and then we'll come back out in a minute and put her eyelashes on.
Okay, yeah. You need some arms.
Oh Lord, arms. We'll have to grab a stick for some arms when we come back out. We gotta check in for sledding now. 1, 2.
Little scammer.
That's enough buttons.
That's
Okay.
enough buttons, because you're gonna eat the rest.
It's abstract art, okay? You're not gonna be able to eat it with your mittens. You just feel
Okay,
it.
let's go inside, and we'll take the mittens off, and we'll eat the rest of them.
So I'm tubing solo because Grammy and Ziya didn't want to do it. They're being scaredy cats, but I wanted to do it. I think my glasses are crooked. Right now I'm in the little thingy that takes you back up the hill. I just went down once. Just a little solo tubing excursion, I guess, you know. They have it to where you can like link 3 tubes together and go down as a pair of 3, so we could have all did it, but I'm gonna try and convince them to do it after I'm done with my session, because it's fun. It's not scary. It's not like that steep or crazy or anything. Got my tube. This is where I'm going up. There they are. They can watch from up at the top of the tube and not at the bottom. Do a spin with one hand to only one hand to hold the tube. I almost fell out. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm dizzy. See, Ziya would love this. I couldn't convince her to do it. She's being grumpy. The other little girl did it. She was scared too. She was crying though. So it's not unusual for the little kids to be scared of it. Should just made Ziya do it.
Ziya's gonna try it one time.
Hey, Ziya! So brave. Good job, Ziya. Okay. He's gonna tie us together.
What are we doing today?
Good. Go! Good job, Ziya! It's okay! Oh, it's okay. Good job! You did it! You did it! And it's okay!
Good job, Ziya! Brave girl! You did it! Hooray! Was it fun? Oh, wow. Oh, but it was scary, but you made it in one spot, in one piece. Oh, honey. So apparently the birds were hungry. And they ate our snowman eyes. So we're gonna put some more out there, okay? Yay. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Oh, sleepy? You're sleepy, boo-boo? You had enough of this? Mommy and Grammy are gonna go to a different restaurant and get our lunch, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel for nap time, okay?
Oh, Ziya's riding the wagon.
Poor baby. You want a cookie?
Yay, cookie. Mountaintop cookie shop.
What kind of cookie should we get? Let's go see. Chocolate chip, double fudge, hot cocoa, M&Ms, caramel apple, peanut butter. M&M. Okay. Grammy is over here enjoying the campfire.
Oh, it's so warm on my fingers. Ziya, come warm your hands.
It's warm and toasty over here.
Put your hands like right here.
Like fire in a hot tub.
It's like fire in a hot tub. What you know about a hot tub?
Never stop exploring. This is our motto for the year. Did you have fun today? You did? What was your favorite thing you did today?
Playing with this.
Playing with this? What about the tubing?
Yeah, it was a little bit scary.
It was a little bit scary. What about when we made a snowman with the crackers? Did you like that?
But the birds ate them and I didn't like it.
Oh. So we took a little rest. We thought Ziya was gonna take a nap. She didn't. It's now about 7 o'clock at night, so we came back over here to where we were. This is River Run, and we actually ate lunch at this restaurant over here. But now we're gonna go to a different restaurant for dinner, and we just kind of wanted to come back during nighttime to see how pretty it is at night. And this will be our last thing of the trip because we leave tomorrow. So let's recap. What are some new things that Ziya and I both learned during this adventure? Well, I know that I learned how to pack for a trip with Ziya with me. Normally I'm packing for myself for business trips, so I definitely will pack better next time. I know which things I need and don't need now. And I think Ziya learned that sometimes you should try things that might seem a little bit scary because it might turn out to be really fun, and it feels really good to try new things and conquer your fears. Make sure to join us again in a couple weeks for our next big adventure. This time we're meeting up with some of your favorite YouTube families.